Hi, today I'm going to show you how to download Wordfence for your website. Wordfence is basically a program that scans for malicious files in the code and in the actual theme itself, and pretty much lets you delete them from the plugin without having to go into the editor and admin and all of that. So first things first, we're going to go ahead and we're going to log into WordPress. We're going to go to Plugins, Add New, and here in the search bar, we're going to type in Wordfence. And we're going to click on the very first pop-up, Wordfence Security Firewall and Malware Scan. It's got about 3 million downloads and 5 stars with 3,625 reviews. It's made by Wordfence. We're going to go ahead and click Install Now. And then we're going to click Activate. We're going to give it a second. It's going to ask us here, please tell us where Wordfence should send you security alerts for your website. Here you would just enter your email, and then here you can click yes or no in case you want to receive emails and promotional stuff like that. We normally just click no. And then by checking this box, I agree to Wordfence terms. It's going to ask us for an email. So right now we're just going to put test@gmail.com and we're going to click continue. There we go. Now premium key. We can pretty much use a premium key for this program because it is a premium version, but we're going to be using the free version. So we just click no thanks. And that pretty much hides that pop-up. So if we scroll down here to the left, it's going to be Wordfence. We can just click dashboard. And here you'll get pretty much an idea of the program. We're going to click next. This is the dashboard. Monitor the protection, and then global options. Now, an easy way to scan the website is to go up here where it says scan. You click next, scan. You can change your scan settings, then you start the first scan. We just click start new scan, and pretty much what happens here is the whole Wordfence plugin starts scanning the whole website. So it depends on how big the website is. Right now, we just have a demo or template, so there's pretty much no files. But if, for example, you have multiple pages, multiple posts, etc., all of this will pop up here, and it'll pretty much tell you in the left the level of alert. Pretty much, if it's red, that's pretty much one of the biggest malicious files you have, and you can just right-click on them or click on them and just mark as fixed, or it'll give you an option to delete. So pretty much here, if you go into the settings a little more, you can just also enable auto update. We can just click dismiss for this option right here. We just give it a second, it'll scan. But I recommend downloading this plugin, and every week or so, maybe every Friday or every 2 weeks on the Friday, pretty much go into the scan option, scan the website, and just make sure the website's pretty much safe and good to go. If nothing pops up here, and you're pretty much all set, because that pretty much tells you the website's clean and ready to go. But hopefully this video was helpful. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to drop them in the comments, and I'm happy to help out. Thank you so much, and have a great day.